What is your main piece of advice for those who want to enact social change?
I think you should really you should start. Like when you start something so big, and when we started the Japan Travel Awards, it was just three of us. Like, I mean, just going back to those times, like I just shiver because it's just so scary. Like a nationwide award, just three people, and we actually travel to each place. Now we have more people on the team, and it's much easier. But I think you just have to be brave out and just start doing it. And if it doesn't work out, you take the responsibility and say, well, it didn't work out, or you have to keep improving. But if you spend years and years and years of planning to do something and you never actually put yourself out there, and you don't start doing something, you will never realize where your mistakes are, or where where you can improve, and do a lot better. So you have to just put yourself out there and just start really rooting for something that you really believe in, and then people will notice. A lot of people will come and help your way, and they will be your allies. A lot of people will throw harsh words at you, and you'll try to use that as a potential force to keep improving as well. But really, I mean, my only advice would be just start. And that's where you find out what you have to really work on.
Great, great advice.